You know, like, do you love me? Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number? Some of y'all go get washed. Some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if you want.
What's up, you guys? Happy Friday. You guys saw me a little bit earlier at the nail shop, and then I came home because your girl had to clean up. My uncle is here. He's here to surprise my cousin because she's throwing a party for her boyfriend, and we're going to the party tomorrow, but he's coming in tonight. So we're here at the airport and we're just waiting on him. I got here super early because I was excited, but yeah, we're here super early. Oh my god, y'all. So we're like around the airport, and somebody is like, well, just park in this gas station. And so I'm like, I don't want to park there because it looks sketchy AF. And so we ended up parking there. Don't want to be there. We look over to the car next to us, y'all. Why it's like scratch talking about deadbeat. And so I'm like, we gotta get out of here. So now we just at the airport because, yeah, I just didn't feel safe. Like I hate in movies or in real life when people be like, you just knew you wasn't supposed to be there. So that's just how I felt. So anyway, but yeah, so now we're waiting on him to come, and then we're gonna go get some gringos because your girl need a drink. Your girl actually had a good week. She just got a lot on her mind, y'all. But I'm playing my favorite. I'm playing Monopoly. Y'all, I love me some Monopoly. But yeah, I just want to come on here, say hey, introduce the vlog. Okay. But yeah, I'll pick y'all back up like when we head to Gringos. But right now we're still waiting on him because we just landed. I have like this app that tells me. Huh? I mean, y'all know what I mean. He landed, and I have this app that tells me like exactly like where they are, like in the air, like when they coming down. Like, it's a super helpful app. It's called he talking about it's called Stalker. It's called a Flight View. So you're welcome. But all right, y'all. We're going up into Specs. We're getting, y'all, where the mic at? I done had a few drinks, and so now we're here getting more drinks. As y'all can see, oh shoot, I'm about to knock it down with my bag. Yep, y'all see.
Look, have you had this?
Oh yeah, that's what I was talking about. And it comes with a shot.
Oh no, this is good?
That is good.
Well,
No. We get the little one.
It's three of us drinking though. And I can do it.
He not gonna drink. He's a
Oh,
lane.
he's a chicken ass? Okay.
Yeah.
I was looking for
Not a chicken ass.
I was looking for hang on.
He called him my uncle called him a chicken ass.
Have you tried to the product? So this it's really smooth, but it's too perfect is what people say.
Interesting. Really, I haven't had that feedback on this one. I just is it aged?
Yeah, but this is a Blanco.
That's okay.
And they have
All right, y'all. Happy, what's today? Saturday. Happy Saturday. Y'all, I don't be drinking, and I had like 2 drinks and 2 shots, and it's killing me. I'm in here struggling. I am in here struggling, y'all. So, we're here at Cracker Barrel.
What up, bro?
What's up? Is your mom coming?
Yes.
Okay, I'm struggling. Yeah. But anyway, so we're here at Cracker Barrel. I haven't been here in so long. I think the last time I've been here maybe have been like North Carolina. No, I think maybe like a year ago. So they did. They changed the menu up a little bit.
They didn't give us no simple.
All right, y'all. We're in JD. My uncle's looking for some sneakers. They have them, but what is it? Your size? They don't have your size?
I don't know.
Ooh, I like these. No, I don't like them. I like these, y'all. These are cute. You like that style. I don't like that style.
Join status for free. Exclusive access available. Download the JD app to sign up.
He keep being in my video, y'all.
These ain't free. Oh my God, you're a loser.
Who's that? Oh, here they go. Here they go. Is it these? Right. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is kids?
No, that's men's. All New Balance are unisex.
Unisex? Yeah. We're trying to find these freaking shoes, but don't nobody have them. So we have one more store to try out, and then we're gonna, but yeah. You see him?
No, I guess they don't have it anymore.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. From the city I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. Lost in my world, with you gonna waste your time, then waste your time.
Yeah, I like these. I showed you another one. Not a big push to keep them hidden. Our shoe quest is over. So now we're about to go to the liquor store to get some tequila, because the tequila we bought last night is way too sweet. And I don't know, maybe that's why I have a headache, but the guy that was talking to us yesterday, he was drunk and telling us to, because we was going to get the regular one that we always normally get, but instead of the regular one, we ended up getting like this black bottle. But y'all know me, I don't be paying attention, but they was paying attention, and then my uncle was like, dang, I should have known when he said sweet, and I was just like, down for whatever. So
Our food that we didn't walk 2 miles.
yeah, she was like, why does it smell like baby powder?
And her grandma said, you need to be quiet. Your parents did not raise you like that. Like she was going in on this little girl.
Oh my gosh, y'all. We were talking about in Vegas how the little girl kept saying I smelled like baby powder. I know, but I wasn't able to pick up the camera.
I heard you good with them soft lips. Yeah, you know word of mouth. The square root of 69 is 8 something, right? Cause I've been trying to work it out. Go, white wine, I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah, okay, away we go.
Oh, here's his own tequila too.
Who?
The Rock.
Oh. Oh, I've seen people drink this. I didn't know that was him. Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. So this is what Reposado. Oh, here's a nickel too. So I like him that much. Okay, let's see.
Who?
The Rock.
The Rock? That's still. Oh yeah, that's still him. Tremania.
Okay, so that's, oh, this is good too. Actually, this is not.
Camarina?
Yeah, they don't have it in there. Hold on.
Reposado. All right, y'all. We're back in.
We don't need a program.
Right. We're back in Specs. I don't know if my mic is on. Y'all know I need the mic. There you go. All right, there it goes. Connected. Y'all, we're back in Specs. We don't need a program. We just need some tequila. So we're trying to find a good tequila because the one last night that was recommended to us, this was it.
Yeah, don't do that.
What is that? Don Fulano? What's that? Okay, the Tremania?
What do you think?
Yeah, let's try it. So,
Whiskey barrel rested. I'm looking like that.
whiskey barrel. Yeah, that. Put that back. We're in line, about to check out.
Edward, to the front, please. Edward.
They've been calling code ones and Edward, and ain't nobody coming.
Cancel that, Edward.
We don't break in.
They. But yeah, so we're gonna have. Let me see. What is this? Herrera. Her what?
Herradura.
Herradura Anejo.
Anything you gotta say, Phil?
Thank you for coming out.
I appreciate all y'all coming out here tonight. Celebrate this.
Yeah!
We're gonna get together too long, so
I'm all in the video. I'm like, fuck, yeah, he told me to come out, so I'm like.
What is today? Happy Tuesday, y'all. I want to say Thursday so bad. Happy Tuesday. We're over here at Taqueria Mi Pobleto. Y'all seen it before. We just came because I had a bad day and the last time, and today we just came because we really love the food. And these drinks are so freaking cute, y'all. But yeah, we're back here for Taco Tuesday. We just ordered some tacos and then I just got the same thing that I got last time along with my drink. Y'all, today was so freaking crazy because the Skims North Face collaboration dropped. And y'all see me, right? Like, I be having the same stuff on for years. Like, I'm not a shopper, but I've been shopping lately. Like, for clothes, I'm not a shopper, but y'all, the things I had to do, no, I'm just kidding. But the craziness, it was weird. It was like I was on a high. Y'all, it was just weird. I would have to tell the story one day, but now I know what to do for future collabs. And I don't know, even the Dolce & Gabbana collab, y'all, I was just like on a high. Like, I'm like, am I one of these people that gets a high from like getting stuff, you know? But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and talk to y'all and show y'all. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and I be having to make sure my mic on so y'all could hear me. But yeah, I had to come on here and talk to y'all. So yeah, we ordered our food and now we're just waiting for our food to come. I don't know if I showed y'all our food last time, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this time. But yeah, y'all, today was just crazy. And I grocery shopped and I cooked before I got here and I cleaned and washed clothes. I had help though, but yeah. But all right, y'all.